प्रश्नकाल सुरू करूया. पहिलो प्रश्न फुडें धुकलेलो प्रश्न आसा जो 12 जुलैक उत्तर दिवपाचें आशिल्लें. श्री Alex Reginald.
Speaker sir, may be permitted to ask question number, postpone sir, question number 1A. Speaker sir, in that column number 2, column number 2, whether it is mandatory provisions of law, we'll combine question number.
1 minute. Start.
You have said that in the second column, as per Government of India guidelines issued in the past, it is mandatory to send the offer of appointment by registered post. There are complaints of corruption whenever letters of appointment are issued by hand delivery. I want to know whether from the government whether this circular was circulated to all the departments. If so, when it was circulated.
Speaker sir, circulate करपाची गरज म्हाका दिसता कित्येक वर्सां पयलीं डिपार्टमेंटान जाल्ली आसा, म्हणजे सर्कुलेशन. आतां आनीक वेगळें सर्कुलेट करपाची गरज ना. इट इज अ गायडलायन which is followed by all departments, and earlier also when this happened, these departments have followed this. In fact, some of the hand delivery letters indicate that it is by register post.
Speaker sir, a process starts with the formation of the post, then it starts right up to handing of offer of appointment. I want to ask the Honorable Chief Minister whether he is also following the same procedure.
Absolutely. Same procedure will be followed everywhere.
Okay. Speaker sir, I have got the RTO post where the Honorable Chief Minister has cleared the file. I have got the information on the RTI, and I have seen that even their posts are given, their offer of appointment is given by hand delivery, and they have been appointed. What action the Honorable Chief Minister intends to take for his own action?
Honorable memberan complaint करची ती आमी पोस्ट जे कितें केला पळय ते कॅन्सल करून घेता.
Speaker sir, in fact there are posts.
ताज्या पयलीं हाणें म्हणलें की हांवें क्लियर केला म्हणून. I am not a minister for transport, nor I am director transport.
Speaker sir,
I am minister for personnel, and as a minister of personnel I have cleared vacancies, NOC for filling the vacancies. My role at this stage does not go as a minister of personnel beyond clearing the vacancies. So I am not aware of the information. If there is a complaint, I will take action there also.
Speaker sir, I am not here to remove those guys who have been appointed. I am here if disparity has been there in some things what the present government has done, it should not be for the previous.
Absolutely. हांव तुका present government सांगलें मरे. Same rule will apply.
Same rule will apply. But you have done it. I don't want them to be removed. What I want.
I am not removing. I said that you complain. I will investigate.
Speaker sir,
I have not said that I am removing anyone.
Speaker sir, if I complain, he has to take action. Or he doesn't want to take action, leave it like that. If I complain, will you take action at least that?
Yes.
But what action you will take?
ते कितें ते तुका कशें आहा कंप्लेन आनी कितें आसा सिच्युएशन पळोवन एक्शन जातलें.
Offer of appointment आतीन दिला. That is the only complaint.
हय रे, that will be acted upon if the offer of complaint is proved to have been given by hand delivery. Sometimes Speaker sir, काही डिपार्टमेंटां कितें करतात, रजिस्टर आयडी धाडटात आनी झेरॉक्स कॉपी कॉन्ट्री काडून हातान दिता. तशें आसता.
Speaker sir, right.
पोस्टान धाडला काय ना हें जर एविडन्स आसत कंप्लेन करीत जाल्यार योग्य ती कारवाई करतलो. हांवें उत्तर व्हेरी क्लियर दिलां. आय कॅनॉट pre-assume that what he is saying is totally true. I will investigate, inquire and take action.
I will have it in writing. Why I am saying it, Speaker sir? What I am on an issue which has been done, I don't want to undo. But if there is such case, why not for the others? Specific, and this circular has not been circulated to any department.
Because there are more reasons. Why this has been strictly, the circular is there with all government departments. It is like many times many government servants don't know what are the rules of service. I get many times direct applications to me. आता म्हाका डायरेक्ट एप्लिकेशन गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंटाक करपाक येना. गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंटाचो प्रोसिजर आसा. If they want to make an application to minister or chief minister, it has to come through proper procedure. Through the departmental head, the application has to be made to the concerned minister. a government servant cannot approach minister directly, it becomes a disciplinary action can be taken against a person who does that. आता गोय ल्हान असल्यामुळे एकामेकाक वळखता असल्यामुळे आमी डिसिप्लिनरी एक्शन घेना. हांव रिक्वेस्ट कितें करता, एटलीस्ट यू सेंड इट थ्रू द डिपार्टमेंट एंड मार्क अ एडवांस कॉपी टू मी. कित्याक फाल्यां म्हज्याच मतदारसंघात 6,000 वोटर आहा जे गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंट आहा, ते म्हाका आमदार म्हणूनय मेळटले. त्यामुळे ही ताजेर आमी सोल्युशन काडटा. हांगा हें एक्शन चड कडक घेवपाचें कारण सांगता. दे वर ऑल डन ऑन 22nd, 23rd, 24th of December when election code came, and in most of those cases I can show you evidence if you point out specifically that there is a manipulation in record. I will tell you in one department, for example, there is a case where 22nd interview was conducted, 22nd evening offer of appointment was given. On 23rd, as per their record, on 23rd, joining offer is given, order for appointment is given without medical. Now medical किंवा अन्य गजाली असता पळय त्यो FR10 सकयल, if it has to be given relaxation, the power is with the government and not with the director. ती सुद्धा तांकां खबर नाशिल्ली तेन्नाच्या मिनिस्टराक. फायल मिनिस्टरा कडेन येवच ना, डायरेक्ट डायरेक्टर ऑफ अकाउंट्स वर्बल हाजेर ऑर्डर दिवन मेकळो आलो. FR10 रिलॅक्स केली. FR10 कॅनॉट बी रिलॅक्स्ड अकाउंट्स. FR10 cannot be relaxed by director. It has to be relaxed by the government. So we have cancelled the appointment because director had no powers to relax the rule. म्हणून ह्यो सगळ्यो जे कितें जाला पळय हे सगळें ड्युरींग इलेक्शन कोड जाला आनी हाजेर प्रत्येक केस हॅज बीन सेंट टू एंटी करप्शन एंड एवरी ताजे सगळे रिपोर्ट तूं पळयतलो एंटी करप्शनचे. तूं सांगतालें हांव करता, आय वील स्टार्ट प्रोसिक्युटींग द कन्सर्न पर्सन, बट देन डोंट टेल मी आफ्टरवर्ड दे स्टॉप द प्रोसिक्युशन.
Mr. Speaker, sir,
I will have to prosecute if I have to.
My question is, innocent boys are going to suffer. Those who have gone through the whole process and those whose medical and etc. has been done, they should not suffer because some mistake or some lapse. Because there is rising unemployment, and this is a case all over the country. We always think in terms of our growth of GDP. We never think of how many people are unemployed and whether unemployment has risen or not. I would request the Chief Minister that proper justice has to be done to these people.
Every
because
case,
they are all youth.
Every case justice has to be done. If you want the proof that justice is being done, then I will file criminal cases against each case, how criminally manipulation has been done.
I don't think there is any criminal act in this to give somebody a job.
Speaker sir, हांवें ताकाच रावना. In case, for example, transport departmentan वर्सां पयलीं केल्ल्या मॅटराचेर सुद्दां we carried out investigation and we have issued show cause notice to those where we have found irregularities. Let them reply, because they have already joined 1 year back. We have given them show cause notice. Here in these cases we found there are massive irregularities, illegalities. For example, in one department, म्हाका सगळी डिपार्टमेंटाची नांवां विचारूं नाका, तुमकां जाय जाल्यार हांव एंटी करप्शनचे रिपोर्ट हाडून दिता. One department application is not existing. There are 8 or 9 cases which have been found where appointment has been given, offer of appointment is given, no application is available in the record. In cases DPC जी बसता पळय त्या DPC चे मनीसूच नाशिल्ले, they were not present on that particular day. Still appointments have been given. So it is not only letter. Since the question pertains to only offer of appointment, I have answered that much. But every case we have investigated the details. Secondly, 99.99% of central government circulars are adopted by Goa government. Exceptionally adopt झाले नाले. त्यामुळे सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट जेन्ना एडॉप्ट करता पळय तेन्ना सर्क्युलर वता. आनी जशें गव्हर्मेंट आमी कंटिन्युअस म्हणटा ते फक्त म्हाका लागना, ते गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंटाकूय लागता. रुल्स असतात पळय ते रुल्स सगळ्यांक लागता. एकदां आयलो, फाल्यां 10 वर्सांनी कोण आयलो आनी आपल्याक रूल खबर नाशिल्लो म्हणलो म्हूण जायना.
Speaker sir, one last question. Speaker sir, I have one file here, I have got under RTI, where file has been moved from LDC right up to the Chief Minister, when you were the Chief Minister, moved on one day.
So,
There is nothing wrong, correct? Speaker sir, there is nothing wrong, but so I know that nothing is wrong when everything has to be done in a proper manner, in a fast manner. No, but Speaker sir, let me finish. What I am saying is that why disparity? Kore ek disan kor, don disan kor, but munge ekuch kide ha, te आता कोण employees आहे ते there are how many fellows, कितले आहे ते कित्याक त्रास करता Speaker sir? Why simply? बरें तूं जाय जाल्यार reason काडटो जाल्यार जायते हा application ना म्हणटलो, application जो तर entry दिली, record and ask ना एक दीस, there are 10,000 applications, if you go to see you will not find that application. It is not possible, 10,000 applications आहे. Now, what I am saying.
No, you have asked your question.
Yeah, I have got. Yeah.
Speaker sir, number one, फायल एका दिसान मुवमेंट जाल्या. म्हजे कडेन जर 100 फायली आयल्यो जाल्यार 98 फायली 12 वरां भितर क्लियर जावन वता. This is my record. You can check up for last continuously for 5 months. My record will indicate to you that 99% of files, particularly files which are trivial in nature, NOCs, VNOCs, लिगो कोणाच्यो, कोणाक फॉरेनाक वचपाचें परमिशन, मेडिक्लेम, ह्यो सगळ्यो फायली म्हज्यो सांजच्यो म्हाका येतात पळय, दुसऱ्या दिसा सकाळी 8 रेडी आसता व्हरपाक परत्यो. Please check up from my file.
From clerk to
from
clerk to chief minister एक दिसामध्ये असतात सगळे फायलो.
That only shows that the administration has become efficient.
No, I have got one file where from clerk to chief minister एक दिसाना.
No problem. No problem.
सगळे फायली येवपा जायनी from clerk to chief minister.
Because our time period is nothing wrong about it.
No, time period is nothing.
If a particular department speeds up its file, the content of file is important and not time period. I will welcome all files to be moved at that speed. पण काही फायलींनी मॅटर ऑफ चेकिंग आसता, म्हणजे पॉलिसी मॅटर किंवा प्रेसिडेंट रुल्स, ताका ऑफिसराक मातशें किंवा त्या हाका मातसो कितें थोडो टायम लागता ते व्हेरीफाय करपाक की बरोबर आसा काय ना ते. त्यामुळे ऑब्वियसली सच फायल्स विल टेक 7-8 days. But I have number of cases, maybe 25% of the files which come to me within 1 or 2 days. त्यामुळे 1 or 2 days is nothing wrong about it. Second, the file is referring is file for NOC, no objection certificate from personnel department. Correct. So no objection from personnel department will never get delayed beyond 24 hours in normal circumstances. त्यामुळे तो एक विषय आलो. दुसरो विषय जो आसा तो ऍप्लिकेशनान ना म्हणटा पळय तो धोरिया आमी 200 भुरगे आसा, 10,000 समजा धोरिया. Let us assume in a particular department there are 200 selected. Speaker sir, 5,000 had applied. There is injustice done to 4,800 if the 200 have been selectively chosen and picked up. Picking and choosing is not permitted as per the recruitment. This is government. Privatean करतात pick and choose. हांवें फोन मारलो कोणाक तो ताका लायता नोकरेक. It is its right. In government under Article 14, the Constitution provides that you have to proceed with a proper formulated guidelines which have been given by Supreme Court. If we find violation of those guidelines, I am very sorry, I will cancel the appointments.
Speaker sir, आता नियम अनुसारात.
Speaker sir, I want to ask Honorable Chief Minister whether post under Director of Technical Education were completed following the procedure formalities. Technical Education, the post only. This is regarding same. Since we are holding education portfolio, so you could answer this.
ज्या जाग्यार पळय खंय प्रोसिजर करून ना त्या जाग्यार हांवें काही क्वेश्चनिंग केल्लें आसा. टेक्निकल एज्युकेशनान प्रोसिजर फॉलो जाल्लो असो म्हाका दिसलेलो, पण नंतर म्हाका एक कंप्लेन आयली की जे 9 जाण भितर आसात ते 9 जाण एका विशिष्ट मतदारसंघातलेच आसा. That gives me doubt that the procedure has not been followed, because you cannot have selection from only one constituency for all 9 different variety of people. I would have even agreed 50% झाले.